Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use text-to-speech feature in Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Clipchamp application, and first of all, I'm going to create a new video. I'm going to choose this option to create a new video, and we're going to go to the record and create menu and just scroll down until you find the text-to-speech. Tap on this option and then you can type what you would like to say, and you can choose the language right here. I'm just going to select English, and then you can choose the type of the voice you want to apply, and I'm going to choose this one.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm just going to type in, hello guys, welcome to the channel. Okay, then we can click on the save button to create the text-to-speech, but before you can take a look at the preview, but I'm just going to click on save. Okay, and just hold on until the text-to-speech has been added to your video. Now it's done guys, and this is the result. I'm going to play it.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel.
Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use text-to-speech feature in Clipchamp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.